What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And I want to say, don't go to Bath and Body Works, but go to Bath and Body Works on Amazon. You guys, I love Bath and Body Works. For the soap, obviously, I know they sell men's stuff in there, but the men's smell to me is not really. It don't really, draw me into there. So. But I do love their soaps. Now, unfortunately, when you shop on the internet and it comes to scented products, you can't smell it through the internet. So, with that being said, you have to get it to your home. And I guess if you don't like it, you might be able to put it in return, but I'm not sure. I never did this on Amazon before. My wife usually do this. She'll either go to Bath and Body Works or she'll go to online. And I want to say that even the bags smell good. All right, so you do get 5, but when they advertise it, it looks like you're going to get like 20 of them. So you have to read the description, or you have to read the text right there. The text say you get 5 of them. All right. Now, I couldn't choose what 5 to get. So the 5 they give you is the 5 they give you, you guys. So if you want a specific soap, maybe Bath and Body Works website might be a better choice, unless you want to go to the mall, which I try to avoid by any means necessary. I'm not a mall person, you guys. All right, so right here we have Bright Christmas Morning. I'm just going to hit up this smell for y'all if I can. No. Wow. Okay. They say it's hard to turn. Oh, that actually smells good. You guys, I might say everything smells good. I'm a bias to this Bath and Body Works. So, we did have like a couple of smells. One time I was like, ugh, I don't really like that smell too much, but it's not like a stink smell. It's just like all right, so this smell is not for me. This is, what is this? Maple. So this is a maple right here. So this smell is definitely not for me. If I was at Bath and Body Works, I will put this back on the shelf. But my wife will probably use it in one of our rooms. All right, so we have Golden Berry. And I know this may be a boring review. I know there's no tools or nothing, but guess what? I'm a homebody, you guys. Ooh, this smells good. All right, so this one is Golden Berry. Golden Berry, you guys, smells good. We're gonna put this in the good pile. This is my pile. This is the pile that can be in the storage or something, or somebody need to wash their hands, the garage type of stuff. This right here. All right. So I love green, you guys. I love green. This is green too, but not this green. So, let me guess. Is this apple? No, tree farm. It does smell like a tree though. It's midway for me. I'm gonna put this one midway. So this one is called Tree Farm. I don't know if y'all can see it. Let me try to put the light. It's called Tree Farm on it. And my hands are getting wet. It's getting soap everywhere. All right, this one is called Twisted Peppermint. Let's see how this one smells. Oh, it actually smells like peppermint. Wow. So for me, this one will be in the middle. So that's what I'm saying. If you buying online, it's kind of risky. You don't know what nothing smells like. You do have a return, but I don't know how it works when it comes to soap. If you used it, they might give you a percentage less than what you fully paid for it. I don't know, but I will be keeping these. I do like these two, so I'll put these two. These two is middle line for me, and this will be emergency soap in case we run out of soap. So that will be it. That's the cool thing about smells. What smell good to me might not smell good to you, will smell good to you, might not smell good to me, but I could give you, you know, my opinion on it. So that's the review of that. You get 5 of these, 25 bucks on Amazon. I believe at the store it might be the same, but you know, if you're a Bath and Body Works type of person, then you know you get coupons and all that stuff. And yeah, I know, an unusual review, but I wanted to review because I'm a homebody, you guys, and this is type of stuff I like because y'all know I put it in my soap dispensers and stuff like that. So anyways, blah, 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 blah. I hope y'all like this review. If y'all wanted me to do anything different with this type of review, y'all can let me know. I don't know what else to do different besides wash my hands and smell it after, you know, after the after smell, to let y'all know what the after smell is like. Y'all can let me know that, but it's just a fun review, you guys. I'm just having fun. So, yeah, no tools. I do have some new tools in, but, of course, this is not a tool review. This is a home body review, you guys. This is for my people that loves their home. So like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll catch y'all in the next product review.